Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a QR code on iPhone and Android for free. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open the browser app on our phone. It could be a Google or it could be Safari, whatever is convenient to you. And on the search bar, you just need to search on QR code generator. And there will be a lot of links that will pop out. You just need to click on which you would like to click. And from here, you need to make sure that you already have the link to add to the QR code or any content that you would like people to see once they scan your QR code. And let me just paste my link. And you can choose also the design. And some link will allow you to add your logo. So you just need to search for that. And after that's done, you just need to download QR and connect your Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, or anything. And after you connect your account, you will be asked what type of file you would like your QR code to be. So let's just select JPG or JPEG. And you just click on download. And that's it. That's how you download your QR code. And there you go. That's the QR code already. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.